Hello and welcome back to New Car Latest Update, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're shifting gears from cars to an exciting new utility bike, the 2025 Honda GL 150 Cargo. Whether you're a small business owner, delivery professional, or just someone in need of a reliable and versatile transport solution, this bike promises to deliver on all fronts. Let's dive deep into what makes the Honda GL 150 Cargo a standout in its category. The 2025 Honda GL 150 Cargo is designed with utility and durability in mind. Honda has crafted this bike with a focus on functionality, ensuring that it can handle a variety of tasks with ease. The bike features a robust steel frame that can withstand heavy loads and rough usage. The cargo rack at the rear is spacious and sturdy, perfect for transporting goods of all kinds. Aesthetic-wise, the GL 150 Cargo is sleek yet rugged, available in multiple color options to suit different tastes. The bike's build quality is top-notch, reflecting Honda's commitment to reliability and longevity. The wide handlebars and ergonomic seat ensure a comfortable ride, even during long hours on the road. At the heart of the 2025 Honda GL 150 Cargo lies a 150cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine is known for its dependability and efficiency, striking a perfect balance between power and fuel economy. With approximately 12 horsepower on tap, the GL 150 Cargo is capable of handling urban traffic and rural trails with equal ease. The engine is mated to a 5-speed manual transmission that provides smooth and responsive gear changes. One of the standout features of this bike is its fuel efficiency, boasting an impressive rate of around 45 km/h. This means fewer stops at the pump and more time getting your tasks done, a crucial advantage for business users. Handling is a key area where the 2025 Honda GL 150 Cargo excels. The bike is equipped with a well-tuned suspension system, featuring telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers. This setup ensures a smooth and stable ride, even when carrying heavy loads. The bike's low center of gravity further enhances stability and ease of maneuverability. The GL 150 Cargo also features a comfortable, wide seat designed for extended use. Whether you're riding short distances or embarking on longer journeys, the seat and riding position are optimized to reduce fatigue. The bike's large, durable tires provide excellent grip and stability on a variety of surfaces, from paved roads to rough terrain. Honda has equipped the 2025 GL 150 Cargo with a range of features to enhance its utility and user experience. The digital instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, displaying all essential information such as speed, fuel level, and trip meter. The bike also includes an electric start system for convenience, with a kickstart option as a reliable backup. The lighting system on the GL 150 Cargo is designed for visibility and safety. It features a powerful headlight, LED indicators, and a bright taillight, ensuring you are seen clearly by other road users, day or night. Additional features include multiple storage compartments and hooks, making it easier to organize and secure your cargo. The 2025 Honda GL 150 Cargo is a versatile bike suited for a wide range of applications. For small business owners and delivery professionals, it offers a reliable and economical means of transportation. The bike's large cargo rack can handle everything from groceries to parcels, making it ideal for delivery services. In rural areas, the GL 150 Cargo proves invaluable. Its robust construction and ability to handle various terrains make it perfect for farmers and traders who need to transport goods over long distances. The bike's fuel efficiency and low maintenance cost further add to its appeal in less developed regions. Safety is a paramount concern for Honda, and the 2025 GL 150 Cargo reflects this commitment. The bike is equipped with front and rear drum brakes that offer reliable stopping power, even when the bike is fully loaded. The robust braking system ensures you can ride with confidence, knowing you have the ability to stop quickly and safely when needed. Honda's reputation for reliability is well earned, and the GL 150 Cargo is no exception. The bike's engine and components are built to last, requiring minimal maintenance over its lifespan. This reliability makes it a cost-effective choice for businesses and individuals alike, reducing downtime and repair costs. The 2025 Honda GL 150 Cargo is competitively priced to offer excellent value for money. Honda aims to make this utility bike accessible to a wide range of customers, with special emphasis on markets where dependable and economical transport solutions are in high demand. To find out the specific pricing and availability in your region, be sure to check with your local Honda dealer. In summary, the 2025 Honda GL 150 Cargo is a versatile and dependable utility bike that meets a variety of needs. From its robust design and reliable performance to its practical features and excellent fuel efficiency, this bike is built to tackle any challenge. Whether for business or personal use, the GL 150 Cargo stands out as a top choice for those seeking a capable and economical transport solution. Thank you for tuning in to New Car Latest Update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest vehicles. Share your thoughts about the 2025 Honda GL 150 Cargo in the comments below. We look forward to hearing from you. See you in the next video.